Hello, student. Okay, how are you today, student? I hope that you're fine. Okay, student, what day is today, everyone? Today is Thursday, June 3rd, 2021. Okay, so every Tuesdays that you are going to learn about, for the first session, you learn about grammar planet 2, right? Okay, in here, do you have this book in your hand, student? Okay, so if you have this book in your hand, please open your book on page 56, student, all together. Okay, but before you go to page 56, you have to do some review with me, because today also you are going to learn about language station. Language station in here, unit 10 until unit 12, okay? But this one is just review. For yesterday's, as I have already told you. Yes, for yesterday, right? For yesterday, you have learned about, mean that you have learned about present continuous tense for the second session, right? For the second session, you review about present continuous tense related to the way that we add ing, mean that spelling rules, spelling of we add ing rules. You have you have understand about the way that we add ing in present continuous tense. But today, you are going to learn about present simple tense, or simple present tense, or present simple tense. Up to you. Okay, so because on this page also we have to see about the word every day, right? Yes, every day. So we use a present simple tense for the activity happen every day. Mean the activity or daily routine, the work that you do every day, we use present simple tense or simple present tense. Up to you. Okay, so this one they say about present simple tense. And we have like example, I rise, this one, I rise my motorbike, this one, right? No ice, right? Because present simple tense we have like subject plus the form of the verb, but we have singular subject, we have to add es or change y to ies. This is I have explained you already, so you have remember, right? So you must know about that. We have like we have like three forms of present simple tense: positive form, negative form, and then question form that you have already learned. But today just a review and raise up for three sentence also. Okay, so make sure that you have to understand the activity happen every day. You use present simple tense. Okay, so example like she write, can you see? She write, we have letter S at the end. This one is underlined already. She writes, usually she write no S, but when we use the subject, the subject means third person singular or singular subject, you have to add S, es or change y to ies to those verbs. Don't confuse, because I know that all the students, most of the students confused about always use like she write no ice, this one is no need to confuse anymore, because you always when you write you have no ice, like he studies change y to ies. Okay, he study English every day, so you change y to at ies. No, study only y. Understand what I mean? So don't confuse anymore. Start from now on, student. So she rides her bicycles every day. Can you see the word every day? When she get up in the mornings, when she gets up in the morning, she go to school. She go to school and she rides her bicycles every day. This is daily routine, daily activities, or permanent situation, or happen every day, mean that you use present simple tense. But if you want to make present simple into the question or into the negative sentence, you have to add to or does. Do use like he, I, we, you, they do, he, she, it does, right? So you use with does not. This one is doesn't, this one is short form in here. So she doesn't write no ice anymore, can you see? Because we have the word doesn't already. This is I have already taught you. Mean you have learned already, right? So she doesn't ride her bicycles every day. So doesn't ride is normal, paid form of the verb because have the word doesn't already. But for affirmative form or positive form, you have to add es or change y to ies based on the verb that I have taught you already. I remember I taught you already. Okay, so if you want to make a negative question, you have to add does and plus not and by form of the verb. No add es or y, change y to ies. Okay, so number 3, does she? Can you see? Does she ride her bicycle every day? So if she does, the right is normal because have does. So if you want to make the question in simple operation tense, you have to put do and does at the beginning of the sentence, and after that you put subject and also verb. Understand what I mean? Also verb and object like that. So if you add more W equation, you have up to you. Like where do you go? I go to school. Where does she go? Where does she go? She goes to school. So this one I say W equation also can add in here. This one I recommend. You can add W equation. Make sure that, but you have to do does, and after that you have to plus subject, verb by form of the verb. This one they say about present simple tense or simple present tense. The activity happen every day. Okay. So you learn already. Make sure that you have wonder. You have any doubt something. Oh, teacher, the unit 12, are you dancing? Why you review about present simple tense? Because of the language station here. Language station here on this page, the focus on unit 10 and unit 12. Review unit 10 until unit 12 because of the language station on this page. So that's why for yesterday I raised up about present continuous tense, but today I raised up about simple present tense. Okay, so I hope that you understand about this. Okay, so yesterday present continuous, today present simple. From unit 10 to unit 12 you clarify today. Understand, student? Okay, so now please open your book on page 56, student. Can you see it right now? Dun, dun, dun. Okay, 56 in here. Wow, so very great. You know, as I remember that 56 was look, read, write, and say. Use the word in the past. Mean that you have already learned. But today, you have learned about language station. Unit 10 to unit 12. Okay. So read and circle. Can you see? Read and circle. Mean read and circle the correct answer. Okay. So we have number 1 to number 6 in here. Number 1, camp and Andy are watching an elephant. An elephant. Okay, elephant is a kind of big animal. Okay, so number 2, Clara is taking a photo. Taking a photo. So which one? Okay, so Andy isn't riding rice, a horse. So the word isn't. Okay, so number 4, Clara and Harley are wearing clothes. Okay, number 5, are Clara and Harley eating? No, they don't. No, they aren't. Okay, so is Clara dancing? And yes, she is, or yes, she is. So which one is the correct answer? So if you know the correct answer, you have to circle and then show me right now. Okay, and so your homeroom teachers. Okay, so now I don't want to waste the time. I have to do the exercise in order to make you clear. Okay, so number 1, Kent and Andy are watching an elephant. So this one is Cam, this one is Andy. So 2, right? 2% you have to circle the words are. Yeah, are. This one is the correct answer. So circles, and then these are watching an elephant. Can you see it right now? Okay, this one is the correct answer. Number 2, Clara is taking a photo. So which one? This one? We have E. This one is no E, but the verb from the verb. This one is the original verb, take, right? So I have explained you yesterday already. If You want to make you add if you want to add ing form, you have to erase e and add ing. So this one is wrong. This one is the correct answer. Okay, so Clara is taking a photo. Yes, student. Make sure that you can remember yesterday, right? You have to remember yesterday. You can know. Andy Asian, yeah, Asian riding, Asian rise. Oh, so this word isn't. So Asian, this one is a present continuous tense, but in negative. So present continuous tense, we have subject plus to be plus not. This one affirmative negative plus not verb ing. So this one is correct. Yes, riding. Not this one. This one is incorrect. So Andy is riding. Asian riding a horse. Okay. So now move to number 4. Clara and Harley were wearing. Clara and Harley are wearing clothes. So this one is Clara's and also Harley used with are. This one is a present continuous tense with positive sentence. So you have to circle this one. Okay. So Clara and Harley are wearing clothes. You know clothes? Clothes mean the something that you cover your hand. Okay, clothes. When you try a motorbike or something like that. Okay, this one is a clothes. Also number 5. Are Clara and Harley eating? So you have to circle this one is question sentence. Okay, are Clara and Harley eating? Because the verb eating. Yes. Okay, knows. They don't know. They aren't. They say no. If say no, they aren't. This one is the correct answer. Yes, no they, not they don't. Okay, so move to number 6 student. Is Clara dancing again? Dancing. So the base form of the verb, the original verb like that. But when you want to add energy, you have to arrange this one. Go to dancing. This is I have already told you, right? So the correct answer this one. So is Clara dancing? Yes, she are, right? No, yes, she is. Yeah, yes, she is. This one, okay? So understand, student. I hope that you can be clear about that. For the first, for yesterday, I review about present continuous tense, the way that we add ing. And today, I review about simple present tense, like 3 form, positive form, negative form, and question form. You use with does or does. Do, does not, okay? Do, does not. Negative, do, does, question, subject, verb 1, question, right? So student, both mean that present simple tense or present continuous tense. 2 of this grammar start from unit 10 to unit 12. If you are not clear, if you don't understand, you can ask the homeroom teacher. They will tell you more. They will explain you more on that, okay? And one more thing, don't forget practice doing the classwork and homework. And after finish all those, send to your homeroom teacher. Classwork and homework play important role for you. If you don't do it, the teacher, they don't know you understand the lesson or not. But if you do it correctly, mean you understand the lesson. But if you don't do it correctly, mean that you don't understand the lesson. So that's why the teacher will add you more, will explain you more on that. So this is the way that you can develop or you can increase your English knowledge. Don't forget to do it, student. Wait for the next video.